Hello, I'm going to do a short review on this Milwaukee 1/4-inch die grinder. I was wondering what I could use it for, and it's come in handy on all kinds of stuff. I sanded the rust off those, painted them. That is a knockout set. And I had a bad hailstorm, and a piece of hail hit my truck right here. And I used this to get down in there and grind that rust spot out. So I can put some, cover on there so it wouldn't continue to rust. It was perfect. Wah, wah, wah. This thing has a lot of uses. Pretty handy. I like it. I recommend the Milwaukee 1/4-inch die grinder. It's a useful tool.